Fullstar Vegetable Chopper. Effortlessly julienne, chop and slice vegetables with Fullstar's cooking gadgets. Built-in chop lid lets you cut foods directly into the 1.2-liter collection tray, without the mess of a knife and cutting board. Storage container lets you hold prepared vegetables in the Fullstar vegetable cutter, until you are ready to begin cooking. This 7-piece set can make great cooking gifts for women and men. Rust-resistant heavy-duty 420 stainless steel retains razor sharpness for crisp, smooth cutting and grating. Blades snap in and out with ease. Cut potatoes, tomatoes, cucumbers, carrots and more. Give the perfect kitchen gifts for women and men. Soft grip handle with rubberized TPU enhances leverage, while the non-skid base ensures stability during use. Slice, dice, chop and cut fruits and vegetables safely and easily, in half the time. Food slices into the container to keep your workspace clean. Chop and cut in one swift motion with this vegetable chopper. Fingers stay safe on the grip and away from the sharp stainless steel blades. It's top rack dishwasher safe. Our compact food chopper saves space on your counter and in your cupboard. It produces uniform slices, which makes it the perfect helper for preparing stir-fry, salads, homemade salsa, soups, stews, and sauté ingredients. Please read the instruction manual provided with the Fullstar food chopper closely before use. If you have any questions or issues regarding the chopper, please do not hesitate to send a message. Stay connected by subscribing our channel to get crazy discounts on Amazon products. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos regularly, so do subscribe my channel. You can check the description for more details or price about these products. For any kind of problem or complaint, you can comment us. Please, stay updated with our channel, as it will make your life much more easier and enjoyable. Thanks for watching.